Did you know that a simple glass of water with baking soda can completely transform your body? Although it may seem like an ordinary thing, this ingredient that many have at home is recommended by doctors and can bring benefits you might not even imagine. What if I told you that just one dose can relieve digestive problems, improve your physical performance, and even help prevent kidney stones? It sounds too good to be true, right? But what if science is backing up these effects? Are you taking full advantage of these benefits or making some mistake when using baking soda? How many health problems could be avoided with this simple habit? In today's video, you will discover all these answers and understand why doctors are recommending this powerful home remedy. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And let us know in the comments from where in the world you are watching us. We'd love to know. Benefit number 1. Treatment of skin conditions. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, baking soda can be used as a natural treatment for various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Many people also use it to relieve itching and inflammation caused by insect bites or sunburns. A common use is the baking soda bath, which can be made by dissolving 1 to 2 cups of baking soda in a bathtub with warm water. This type of bath is often recommended to relieve itching and skin irritation, especially in cases of sunburn or skin allergies. Additionally, baking soda can help exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and improving skin texture. However, since everyone's skin reacts differently, it's always important to test it on a small area before applying it to the entire body and consult a dermatologist for more serious skin conditions. Benefit number 2. Improves oral health. Baking soda is widely known as an effective ingredient in oral hygiene. Many toothpastes include baking soda in their formula due to its cleaning and whitening properties. However, drinking water with baking soda can bring additional benefits to oral health. Our oral environment is naturally acidic, which can encourage the growth of bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease. Drinking water with baking soda helps neutralize acids in the mouth, making the environment less favorable for harmful bacteria to grow. Additionally, it can help neutralize acids from foods that wear down tooth enamel. One study showed that rinsing the mouth with a baking soda solution was more effective at reducing plaque than rinsing with plain water. Moreover, baking soda can also be useful in combating bad breath, as it neutralizes the acidic compounds that cause unpleasant odors. Remember, however, that baking soda should not replace brushing and flossing. It can be used as a complement to your oral hygiene routine, especially in cases of bad breath or after consuming acidic foods. Benefit number 3. Prevention of kidney stones. Kidney stones, or renal calculi, are hard formations of minerals that accumulate in the kidneys and can cause intense pain when they move through the urinary tract. One of the most common types of stones is made of calcium oxalate, which develops in acidic environments. This is where baking soda comes in. Drinking water with baking soda can help make the urine less acidic, which makes it harder for these stones to form. A more alkaline pH in the urine reduces the conditions favorable for mineral crystallization, decreasing the chances of new kidney stones forming. Furthermore, some research suggests that the use of baking soda supplements can improve kidney function and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. However, it's important to remember that preventing kidney stones involves more than just taking baking soda. Drinking plenty of water, reducing sodium intake, and lowering animal protein consumption are also effective measures to avoid the formation of these stones. Benefit number 4. Rapid relief from heartburn and indigestion. Have you ever suffered from that uncomfortable burning sensation in your stomach or chest, known as heartburn? This discomfort occurs when stomach acid refluxes into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation. Baking soda is a natural antacid because it neutralizes excess stomach acid, providing immediate relief. When baking soda comes into contact with hydrochloric acid in the stomach, it reacts by forming water, salt, and carbon dioxide. This chemical reaction quickly relieves the burning sensation and reduces stomach acidity. However, it's important to remember that frequent use of baking soda to treat heartburn may mask more serious digestive issues, such as chronic gastroesophageal reflux disease. If you suffer from heartburn often, consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis. Nevertheless, for occasional heartburn or indigestion, water with baking soda is a cheap and effective remedy, widely used in many cultures around the world. Benefit number 5. Potential aid in cancer treatment. Perhaps one of the most interesting discoveries about baking soda is its relation to cancer treatment. Some types of cancer thrive in acidic environments, and researchers are exploring whether making the environment around tumors less acidic could hinder cancer growth. Preliminary studies, such as one published in 2009 in the journal Cancer Research, showed that the ingestion of baking soda in rats reduced the acidity around tumors and slowed the growth of metastatic breast cancer. These findings have sparked growing interest in the possibility of using baking soda as part of a cancer treatment strategy. While these results are promising, it's important to emphasize that baking soda does not cure cancer. Its use in treatment must be strictly supervised by specialized doctors. Baking soda may eventually be part of combined treatments, helping to increase the effectiveness of traditional therapies, such as chemotherapy. This auxiliary use may offer an additional approach to tackling the disease, but should not replace established therapeutic options. However, more clinical studies are needed to confirm these benefits in humans. Further research will help determine the correct dosage, method of administration, and potential side effects, ensuring that the inclusion of baking soda in treatment is safe and effective. In the meantime, the approach should be cautious and always guided by qualified healthcare professionals to ensure the best possible care for patients. Benefit number 6. Improves athletic performance. This may be one of the most surprising benefits of baking soda. Many athletes, especially those who engage in high-intensity activities, use baking soda to improve their performance. How does this work? During intense exercise, the body accumulates lactic acid in the muscles, which causes that burning sensation and muscle fatigue. Baking soda, being an alkaline substance, helps neutralize this excess acid in the body, allowing the muscles to function longer before they tire. Studies show that consuming baking soda before intense exercise can increase endurance and improve performance, especially in activities that require maximum effort for short periods, such as swimming, cycling, running, and combat sports. In addition to helping fight fatigue, baking soda can allow athletes to train more intensely and for longer periods, resulting in overall better results. However, caution is needed when using baking soda to improve physical performance, as excessive doses can cause side effects such as nausea and gastrointestinal discomfort. To avoid complications and ensure that supplementation is effective, it's best to consult a nutritionist or doctor before starting any supplementation regimen. This will help define the appropriate dose and method of consumption, maximizing the benefits and minimizing the risks. Benefit number 7. Helps in the treatment of chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is a condition in which the kidneys gradually lose their ability to filter the blood and regulate the balance of chemicals in the body, such as acid and base levels. This can lead to a condition called metabolic acidosis, where the blood becomes excessively acidic, further burdening the kidneys and causing a range of complications. Some studies suggest that baking soda can help neutralize this excess acid in the blood, reducing the strain on the kidneys and potentially slowing the progression of kidney disease. A study conducted in the UK with patients suffering from chronic kidney disease demonstrated that those who took baking soda supplements showed a significant reduction in the rate of kidney function decline compared to those who did not. This finding is especially relevant, as the use of baking soda may offer important support in managing the disease and improving patients' quality of life. However, it's important to note that baking soda is not a cure for kidney disease and should only be seen as part of the treatment. Its use should always be supervised by a doctor, especially in people with pre-existing conditions, to ensure that there are no contraindications or interactions with other treatments being used. Benefit number 8. Reduces muscle soreness after exercise. If you regularly engage in intense exercise, you've probably experienced muscle soreness in the days following your workouts. This occurs mainly due to the accumulation of lactic acid in the muscles, which causes inflammation and discomfort. As we've seen, baking soda helps neutralize this acid, which can speed up muscle recovery, providing relief and improving performance in subsequent workouts. Drinking water with baking soda before or after physical exercise can help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, allowing you to recover more quickly and be ready for your next workout. One study showed that people who took baking soda before an intense workout reported less muscle soreness after exercise compared to those who didn't. This practice can be especially beneficial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to optimize their recovery and improve overall performance. How to prepare water with baking soda. Preparing the solution is very simple. Just add half a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass with about 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Stir well until the baking soda is completely dissolved and drink slowly. For best results, it's recommended to consume this drink about 30 minutes before or immediately after exercise, ensuring that your body is ready for effective recovery. Precautions and considerations. While baking soda is safe for most people when used in moderation, there are some precautions to consider to avoid complications. People with high blood pressure, kidney failure, or heart problems should avoid regular consumption of baking soda, as it contains sodium, which can exacerbate these conditions, leading to increased blood pressure or kidney strain. Additionally, excessive use of baking soda can cause undesirable side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and even more serious problems like metabolic alkalosis, which occurs when the blood becomes excessively alkaline, affecting the body's chemical balance. Beyond these risks, it's important to remember that baking soda can interfere with the absorption and effectiveness of certain medications, such as antibiotics, antacids, and certain heart treatments. Therefore, it is essential to consult a doctor before including baking soda in your daily routine, especially if you are already taking other medications or have pre-existing health conditions that could be worsened by its consumption. Water with baking soda is a simple, accessible solution that offers several potential health benefits. From relieving symptoms like heartburn and indigestion to improving athletic performance and treating skin conditions, baking soda can be a helpful addition to your routine. However, it is crucial to remember that moderation in use and medical supervision are essential to ensuring that its use is safe and effective, avoiding health risks. If you have anything to add, please share with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm leaving 2 videos on the screen that I'm sure you'll enjoy. See you there.